My name is Jamie Barker. I'm with Monarch Tractor. I'm the regional sales manager for the Pacific Northwest and British Columbia. The company started in 2017. They started developing prototypes. There's a lot of people that came from other electronic vehicle manufacturers, people from the ag space. They really saw a need in the market for this type of autonomous tractor. They developed these prototypes over time. We went commercial in 2022 with our first Mark V model, and as of now we have over 450 of those tractors commercially operating in the field. There's a 70 horse electric motor that runs the tractor. It'll punch above its weight on pulling. It's got a standard 3-point hitch. Any implement that meets the specs to be pulled with our tractor, you can use it. The tractor can be used not only like in autonomous mode, but as a regular tractor. It's powered by a 100 kilowatt hour battery, very long, robust battery life. The tractor, depending on use, can run up to 14 hours in a day. As it stands alone without the autonomy piece, the electric really makes sense. So you're gonna save a pile of money just running it in electric. There's a number of safety features on the tractor, obstacle avoidance, human avoidance. It'll actually warn you if you get too close, the horn will honk. The tractor itself, it stops. There's a number of seconds that it'll wait for the obstacle to clear. If it's not cleared in that time, then you get an alert to Wingspan AI. It lets you know there's an obstacle. The tractor has 10 cameras that are recording all the time. They're looking at those field conditions and using it to make the autonomy better. It has to learn a crop. The more time it spends in blueberries, the better it will be. And then we will work with the grower. Once they're comfortable with the tractor, it's got some time in the field, and then roll that autonomy in. It's not a flip of the switch, but once you're there, it's really wonderful.
I'm Dean Martz, and I work for Clausen Farms. The price and the capability of the Monarch, I think, are well within reach for most farms. I think everything that you consider when it comes to a piece of technology or a piece of equipment has to have its own business plan. So it comes down to what costs are you going to be able to offset for what the value that you're getting is. How much you're going to use it during the year, how many hours you're going to use it, how many staff hours are you going to be able to offset. This machine, from what I can see, you could set it up and down a whole field and it could do all your mowing, your weeding, your spraying. I think there's a lot of uses for it. So I think in our particular instance, it's definitely within reach, yeah. And I like the idea that you can also jump on it and drive it as a normal tractor, so it's got that dual ability. There's a lot of really good things about it. That kind of technology, I feel, it's definitely the future of farming. An autonomous machine, a machine that works on electricity, is different than a gas-powered machine. This software connectivity component, combined with the electronic element, you run those two things together, and what ends up happening is you have these safety protocols. So if something breaks down or safety protocol gets violated in some way, the machine will stop. And it's basically a brick until you can fix it. So I think the challenge with a machine like this is making it functional, making it safe, but at the same time, making it practical and usable. There's always a balance between all those things.